In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a language to your About section. Whether you're building a professional profile or making your personal page easier for friends and colleagues to understand, adding a language helps people find and engage with you in the way that fits them best. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to click and where to look. First, go to your About section. This is the part of your profile that collects your essential details, things like your bio, location, and contact preferences. On a desktop browser, you'll usually see an About tab or link on your profile page. On a phone or tablet, it may appear in a profile menu or under a summary card. If you don't see it right away, scroll through your profile options until you find About. Once you're in the About area, look for Basic Info. This section groups together straightforward account details. Inside Basic Info, click Add a Language. This option is specifically designed for listing the languages you use, so you don't have to squeeze them into your bio or headline. If you have multiple sections in About, make sure you're actually inside Basic Info before you continue, so your language entry lands in the right place. Next, enter the language you want to add. Start typing the name of the language, and in many interfaces, you'll see suggestions appear as you type. Choose the one that best matches what you speak. If there are regional variations, pick the most accurate version for you. Consistency helps other people search for and recognize your language skills. Don't worry about fancy formatting. Plain language names are best. Finally, click Save. Saving confirms your choice and publishes it to your About section. Give it a second to process, then look for a confirmation message, or simply check that the language now appears under Basic Info. If you don't see it, refresh the page or reopen your profile and look again. Sometimes the display takes a moment to update. That's it. You've added a language to your About section quickly and cleanly. If you plan to list more languages, repeat the same process and keep your list accurate over time so people know how best to connect with you. Also, remember that changes can take a moment to sync across devices, so if you switch from mobile to desktop, a brief delay is normal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.